I'm creating an automation that turns my YouTube video transcript into blog posts. So I want to populate my input sheet with the video URLs from my channel. This video will show you how to gather all of the video URLs from a given channel and parse them so that they are available for pasting into an input sheet or Airtable. So I'm going to Apify and I'm going to get Best YouTube Scraper. So there are a few Best YouTube Scrapers. The one that you want is Best YouTube Scraper, and the ID is scrape-creators Best YouTube Scraper. And you'll go to the input screen and you'll make sure that there's nothing in the video URLs or filters. Just put the channel URL of the YouTube channel that you want to scrape and get all of the URLs of the videos from in the channel URL field, and then click Start to run it. When it runs, you'll get a success message, and you click on that and you'll get a log, and the log has all of the items that it processed. So these are your video URLs. So copy these and open up an editor called Notepad++, which you can download for free, and your paste will look like this. Control H to do a search and replace, use regular expression, and in the find field, put 2025 dot asterisk question mark colon space. What that's going to do is search for any line that starts with 2025 followed by 0 or more characters and ending in a colon and a space, and that colon and space is the item and the space right there just before. So that's going to grab this entire string that precedes your URL. When I click find and then replace, it gets rid of prefix processing item with the date and leaves me with a list of URLs that I can now copy and paste into my datasheet. So that is how you use Apify to get all of the video URLs of a channel into a usable list.